Hello mga sissy. The reason why na nag-start ako sa DJI kasi nag-record ako today. All of my first sweldo, lahat yun memorable sa akin. I remember there's one behind me. I'm gonna show it to you later. This one of the few that I bought during my first sweldo here in the US. And the reason why this is very important to me kasi these are the things that ito yung hard-earned money na nabili ko. And these are what? 6 years old already. I've been using this for the last 6 years. And one of those items are one, itong shades. The second one is the laptop. And the third one is the slipper from the Adidas. And all of those items are still working. The laptop that I bought during my first sweldo, that's the only luxurious item that I ever bought during the first few months that I'm earning money here in the US. And up until now, it's still working. And ito yung one of the item na sinasabi ko, this one. This is what, 6 years old already. I'm still using it. And the reason being for that, mga sisi, is I tried my best to take care of this because this reminds me of my humble beginning when I started here in the US. And I remember at that time, shook. Sabi ko, shock. Super mahal. It's too expensive to buy a Ray-Ban for what? $200 just for a Ray-Ban, 10,000 pesos, right? And then I said, really? Bibilin ko ba to? Is it really worth it to buy the Ray-Ban? And I said, I don't think so at that time because I'm not earning money. And I just started working out. And then I'm glad that I saved all of those money. And the reason being for that is whatever emergency or what maybe in the next month or two that I have emergency, I have money readily available. And I remember I saved like more than 15,000 US dollar at that time. Literally like mga 800,000 pesos. And I save it. I opened my first bank in the US and I never touched the money. Of course, nawala na yun. It's gone in the wind. It disappeared. Nagbili-bili na ako after a year or two here in the US. But